English dialogue for beginners. Talking about the weekend. Hey, Sarah. How was your weekend?
Hi there. It was pretty good. On Saturday, I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic and played some games. How about you?
That sounds fun. I went to the movies on Saturday night with my cousins. We watched a comedy and had lots of popcorn.
Nice choice. On Sunday, I visited a museum downtown. It was so interesting to learn about history and art.
Oh, I love museums. On Sunday morning, I stayed home and read a book. It was really relaxing.
Reading is a great way to unwind. On Sunday evening, I tried a new recipe at home. I cooked spaghetti with a delicious tomato sauce.
Yum! Cooking can be so enjoyable. I spent Sunday afternoon practicing the guitar. I'm trying to learn some new songs.
That's awesome. It sounds like we both had a nice and relaxing weekend doing things we enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.